In this video, we're going to learn about the print function in Python. So what is the print function? The print function is used to display information in the console. It is a built-in function, so you don't have to import any modules or libraries. I've got 5 examples here that I can show you. So the first example is the basic usage of the print function. And this is the syntax. So print parenthesis and the message or a string. So let me go ahead and get into the IPython interpreter and just copy and paste this line of code. So this is a very simple example. So it's just printing the string. And example number 2 is using f strings for formatting. Here I'm just assigning this string into variable called hostname and this string into a variable called status. And I'm using a f string so I can make placeholders for the variables. So here, this is the placeholder for this variable. And here, this is the placeholder for this variable. Okay, if I copy and paste this line of code using the f string, we can easily print the variables inside the string. So hostname, router 01, status, online. Okay, next is using special characters. So here we're just using escape sequences to format the output. So here we are using the new line and tab. So this is the new line and this is the tab. So if I copy and paste this line of code, we get this output. And example number 4 is customizing output with the sep and end parameters. So actually just sep because we have the example number 5 for the end parameters. Okay, so yeah, here instead of the default, let's try this. If I, yeah, so spaces, this is the default separator. Here we are just replacing that default separator with dot here. So now we see the correct format of the IP address. And last but not least is the end parameter to modify the line ending. And by default, it is new line. So if I print this, copy and paste this line of code, and just say, without adding the end parameter. So the end of the string by default, like I said, is a new line, and we are just replacing that here. We are just replacing that with a space. So if I actually, let me just copy and paste both. Yeah, here. So we see that checking status, we see that checking device status and done are in the same line. But earlier it was this one is in one line and this one, actually, let me copy and paste both. Yeah. So checking device status is in one line and done is in another line. So here, like I said, this is just basically to put them together in a single line. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.